Welcome to Interview with a Lockpicker, brought to you by Broke Picks. Prepare for a deep dive into the world of locks.
All right, first off, if you haven't noticed from the intro there, I'm going to be taking over as an interviewer for Interview with a Lockpicker. The Lockpicker 1969 has passed the torch. He's not going to be doing the interviews anymore, so if you want to see the past ones, you can go to his YouTube there, and I'll link down below, and you can see it on the screen before this. First off, I'd like to thank him. It's a big honor for me. I think it's very important. Important thing to document. And thank him for believing in me to push on with his baby here, the Interview with a Lockpicker. And so from here on out is going to be me taking over, and I got some good interviews coming up for you that I've acquired. The first one was going to be a banger. Hopefully, well, I will get better over time. I think it just takes a little bit of time to learn the editing process and things like that. So here we go. Thank you, Lockpicker 1969, and look forward here in the near future to episode 120. If you want to see the past ones, like I said, Lockpicker 1969, that's 1 through 119, and episodes 120 through, we'll see, into the near future, you can find here on Broke Picks. Thank you. I hope it's going to be as big as Lockpicker 1969 had dreamed when he started.